Chief Minister Nongtom Ambiren assures to take adequate measures including setting up a 460-acre water body in Lamphel to prevent floods in Imphal Valley. PHED Minister Losi Diko assures of safe and drinking water to valley inhabitants within 6 months. People fondly remember Lunglina Elizabeth on her 15th death anniversary today. And over 3,000 people, including foreign players, race in 12th Mega Marathon of United People Front, Manipur today. Good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Chief Minister Nongtom Ambiren has assured to set up 460-acre water body in Lamphel to prevent floods in the Imphal Valley. He also assured to procure funds from the centre to augment Vaishal Maring to prevent floods in Manipur. The Chief Minister was speaking during a reception program organized by Keshamthong United Club to felicitate him for being the third best Chief Ministers in the country at Kwakaithel Moirangpurel Lampak today. Biren lamented that at the deterioration of Vaishal Maril passing through Keshamthong, Nauria Pakhong Lakpa and Sagolban due to illegal encroachment of lands. He appealed to local clubs of the three constituencies to come together and develop Vaishal Maril like it used to be. The Chief Minister also conveyed that old age pensions were released and will be credited into pensioners' accounts before Ningol Jacoba.
Thika macet stem munaraga thika taunu bo hona bodagi mang bani ase Vaishal Maring je natri na han ising chawnge manam suri lete adu huji wagano ai lakhre mayam jangna I thara krem I will do something Lamphel ji par ne ba masi par oina thamje na I matam da kanam ta de aduna hujikti ai Lamphel ji 230 acre mukta gari mabri Lamphel par lo ina khopsan narga amagi tawna anu ji cabinet decision lawre 460 muki acres loina koi madu identify to kan da hoji water body loina tokho ni koi madu gi damta project am kana chauna semi tokho ga water body oina thamge ba.
Manipur State Council has organized a motorcycle rally condemning the BJP union government for duping the people of Manipur. CPI State Secretary Sotin Kumar flagged off the rally from Kangmon in Konthokzam of Imphal East till Ningthaukhong, participated by many youths. Speaking to media, member of CPI National Party M. Shaki alleged the central BJP government of deceiving the people of the state in every way. She accused the government of not helping the distraught farmers of the state. M. Shaki stated that the rally was organized to condemn all the atrocities of the central government upon the people of the state. Organization in a press release expressed happiness at the decision of the Indian government to construct a museum in tribute to the great tribal women freedom fighter of India, especially freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu. Chief Advisor of Protection of Forest Right Manipur, Motum Churamani, has assured to start legally protecting various adjoining hills of Imphal Valley accorded by Manipur State Darbar. He was speaking in a one-day discourse on the Valley Forest Reserved Area organized by the Valley Village Reserve Area Protection Committee at Pukau in Imphal East District today. Churamani stated that there is a need to demarcate district boundaries with the addition of 7 new districts. However, expressed apprehension that the many adjoining hills of Imphal Valley may be considered as part of the hills during the demarcations. He stated that hills are being gradually encroached by different communities. Churamani urged everyone to join hands and take the help of laws to safeguard the adjoining hills of Imphal Valley. Villages in the hills opposite to Pukhao attending the meet took 4 resolutions, including to unitedly protect the hilly areas on the occasion.
Valley Bullets Reserve Forest Right area se 36,000 hectares. Pari lising kuntra ga taruk haina ekoina dumaina paper da dak sitha pi dana thengna jai hairiba manung sidai da ngasi di ekoi gi lengak na matam mamagi ekoi gi mamangi lengak chief minister oi bu bigi matam da district tariat ama hakal lakanda anoba district shem khiba aduna maram werkanda district ki boundary commission semakanda masigi district boundary lepakpa matamda hairiba valley gi reserve lai area ni haidana thamami ba mafam singse masi soklakpa yabagi adu akibadune ekoida thengnajari se.
PhD Minister Losidiko has assured to provide clean drinking water within 6 months. He made the statement while inspecting around 9 new under construction water treatment plant in Imphal today. Some of the water plants are Koirangay Water Treatment Plant, Overhead Tank in Sangakpam Bazar, Porompat Water Supply Scheme, Kanchipur Water Treatment Plant, Singda Plant, Kangchu Plant, Iruisemba Reservoir and Chinkai Water Treatment Plant, Tinsit Road. Minister Losidiko said the NDA government aims to provide clean and safe drinking water to every household by 2022 and that the same will be initiated in the state.
External funding we're pursuing. We have already committed to connect every household. By 2022, we're very hopeful. What you see in the pipeline, and then we have positive central government issue, foreign funding, external funding, so and it's in the pipeline. It will be very comfortably done.
Taking part in the inspection, Chief Engineer Arban, PhED H. Sunil has assured that almost every part of Imphal will be provided with safe and drinking water when the treatment plants are completed. He further hoped that with the completion of Taubal Dam, which is under construction, every household in the district will be provided clean water by 2032. He also assured that new water pipelines will replace the old ones in Imphal and Greater Imphal if the government succeeds in acquiring loans from outside for the same. He added that new water pipelines are being replaced in areas under Imphal Municipal Corporation.
Pura mayam naiba heta 100 to di Taubal Dam se luchalakta gati ro water ki problem du laibanina turena khina treatment plant phajana lairaga su Imphal turen gi sing marang kaina laktaba idil gi marang kaina laktaba akhoi gi jungle gi kari gi kokthokpa gi problem laiba mayam du catchment area gi akhoi gi ultimate hope ti Taubal Dam gi sing se Taubal Dam si loisalaga jingkhai jingda sariba water treatment plant ama sari mayam su ubirangani na khali masi loisalaga di ngasai mayam gi sing gi Imphal gi sidi up to 2032 bhauti
Lok Sabha MP Dr. T. Maina handed over an ECG library cum information center constructed under Local Area Development Fund worth around 16 lakhs in Taubal, Moijing today. The MP along with former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi inaugurated the ECG library cum information center. Speaking on the occasion, Okram Ibobi highlighted the importance of library and asserted that the center will provide great benefits to students. MP Maina assured that current information and newly published books will be made available in the center to help students in every possible way. MLA O. Surjakumar, local Pradhan and many residents attended the inaugural event. Members of Youth Rising Star Club and Kanglei Park Chanura Kannalop jointly staged a sit-in today against yesterday's bombing at LYS Cement and Steel Agency located at Kwakakhel Haino Khongnembi Thokchom Laikai. Protesters condemned the incident and demanded persons involved to clarify the bombing incident through media. Taking part in the sit-in held in front of LYS Cement and Steel Agency, President of Kanglaipak Chanura Kannalup, Khuraijam Ongbi Medhabati, worried that the incident could have injured and killed many persons, including the students in the boarding house above LYS. She urged relevant authority to investigate the matter at the earliest. Youth Rising Star Club also strongly condemned the planting of bomb and appealed not to let such incident occur again in the future.
Hek thangna badasu boarding amma leiri satra satri sing puna mak leiri bai mai bel ahal sing leiri ba sida lekai sa aki tu jung bon ba se yamna mawong ta da ba thaba ase idai kai sa mo hanna thokpi halakanu mo hanna tawgi hana ju khanbi ganu mase mari laina ba singa yengsin biu lekai sa leiri ba Youth Rising Star Club amadi maira pai bi ekhoina yam kandem tawi mari laina ba singa masi media gi through da thokpi raktuna si ekhoina tawbani smain tawgre haiba se soi gare haiba se si haibira o
LYS group asi lekai asigi amadi akoibagi yamna development da saukhat thorang da yamna active oina part loriba group amani makoi bu live attempt tawba yabagi aranba haidi aran hoi tawromgani haibasu khoina thajajade karigumba yanadaba phana leiraga su aikoi club ki thong launa hangduna leiri aikoi gasu tanaraga karino ayaba yanadaba ni leiraga di taisenaba amadi lambi amadi thiwa tabani aduba lambi da thiminasi aduna tawida bom pokha anduna mission praja sing siba yaba mawongda adugumba action tawududi aikoi taseng na yaningde
hek thangna badasu boarding amma leiri satra satri sing puna mak leiri bai mai bel ahal sing leiri.
Various civil society organizations, namely UNESCO Club Manipur, Maicho Ningsing Lop, Lailenbi Senthalop, Mitei Marup Manipur, Lithai Nungdai Sanaipong, and Animal Gym Koyathong have demanded Bank of Baroda to credit 33.30 lakh rupees fraudulently withdrawn from the account of Narembam Tilotama from Sagolban Tera at Bank of Baroda Changangai branch within November 8. A joint team of the organization held a press meet at Kurai Ahongai Ahongpung this afternoon. Speaking to media, Joint Secretary of UNESCO Club, Dr. T.H. Chandramani, termed the fraudulent cash withdrawal from the account using bogus checks at Bank of Baroda Changangai branch in the wake of recent fraudulent withdrawal of 1 crore rupees from Bank of Baroda Manipur University branch as unfortunate. He condemned the conduct as a crime of civil law violation.
November Nipan Pawagi Manungda Loktokiba Senpum Singh compensation Yauna Bank of Barodana Hapsin Bidaba Taragadi civil law violation Tawa Bengni Haina India Sinba Tungna campaign Tauragani Manipuri Lemaida Natana Awang Nongpok Bharat Sida Asigumba Equina Tazana Tamiba Mu Aquida Lejeriba Pisasing Lakogi Being the Tazaraga Tamba Tazaba the Soidan Wala Lagani Aduna Tangai Fadana Masimatunga Omona Torakanaba Iriba Wapamasi Kogi Marilena Authority da Appeal Taujavani.
People today remembered Lunglila Elizabeth on her 15th death anniversary today. KH Inawa and his family from Kiangai Haibong Makong organized the memorial event at Sangai Bazaar Debala Multipurpose Auditorium in Hyangthang, Takhelambam, Kongjing of Imphal West. People paid a floral tribute at the portrait of Lunglila Elizabeth on the occasion. Assistant Director of CAF and PD, Lawrence, who is also a relative of Elizabeth, Manager of Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank, L. Suranjoy, Chief Advisor of Sangai Bazaar, K.H. Gambhir, and Chairman K.H. Inauba were present at the event. Speaking to media, Inauba recalled that Elizabeth, a Class 3 student, was kidnapped and mercilessly killed by unknown miscreants. He appealed for cooperation from people of both the hills and valley to prevent such unfortunate incident in future. He said, Lunglila Elizabeth is fondly remembered and that the memorial service is held every year in Imphal city as a reminder to stand united against such a brutal incident. It may be recalled that Lunglila Elizabeth was abducted by unknown miscreants from Little Flower School Gate, Airport Road on November 4, 2003, and her body was recovered on November 12.
Sing amasung tamasi masi manaw na hare aduwa karigum kharadana magi apamba phangna bhunabda sing nama tam nama yam toina hek ubagum batwa hariba posing ado aina Manipur lamai dege muthat papa mana mar moirga isan nupi ge misi ado bu nungai tamna Manipur gi lamai da amona laktana ba phona bagi tharuk ama oina magi date and message ai kuting ai magi family member yaudana ai isai tanta honaduna pangthokuna laksabani aina celebrity Manipur da sing amasung tam ani makse masi manaw ni haragati tapak ta leiba koina singi dam ta kaigum khara tawum thoi singna su tampaki dam ta kaigum khara tawbiu haibsin aina apin tawjadi.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news and exclusive report on the much savours Pengba and Ngaton fishes of Ningol Chakoba feast. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Relentless efforts of fish farm owner Soibam Surchandra to save indigenous Pengba and Ngaton fishes paid off. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Bhakta Taurangbam and camera person Pukrambam Bobo.
Every brothers in the state desire to serve special delicacies made of local fishes, Pengba and Ngaton during Ningol Chakoba feast for their beloved sisters. However, the once abundant local fishes are at the verge of extinction. Fish farmers of the state are demotivated to rear the local fishes due to demand for special rearing techniques and attention. Soibam Subhas Chandra, a fish farmer from Hyangthang Mamanglekai, took up the challenge of rearing Pengba and Ngaton in his fish farm spread over 8.5 hectares of land and to make available the much savored fishes at low cost.
Manipur so 1981-82 side akhoi Pengba Ngaton je phajan urami loktak ta kaida digi waithau turenda Imphan turenda Irin turenda Thoban turenda ado sok mar phu ga tare side digi khoi Pengba Ngaton je khajigi hoi ubi sang je handare ado 1991-92 side digi pura handagre auna Manipur gi praja miyam na thaini ahlamman jingna hoji phokta leiriba laiwi gi jiba ahlamman jingna Pengba Ngaton ji mut khidra na moida mi paibam poeba aduna kari upai torogati mulo yana bijai department kusamna ga department ji aingi Pengba Ngaton ji mutra moi ju khone adu paibe phama ekhoi moigi khaliba wakhalon duda ekhoi mateng pangdragadi ai samak department khusamnaraga haibe Pengba Ngaton je yokpa horokni.
Soibam Subhas Chandra started looking after S. Tomba and Sons Pengba Ngaton Fish Farm established by his father Soibam Tomba since 1985. He is now the managing director cum proprietor of the fish farm and is running the farm successfully, producing large scale of Pengba and Ngaton fishes. Sur Chandra's dedication backed him 3 national awards, including Dr. Hiralal Chaudhary National Best Fish Farm Award and many other state awards. His latest challenge is to make available 10,000 kilograms of Pengba fish, including Pengba weighing 700 grams and 5,000 kilograms of Ngaton fish, including Ngaton weighing 70 grams for the upcoming Ningol Chakoba.
12-13 side Manipur gi atopa farmers ju ai aware piraga Pengba yokshi khosi na mayam da haire department ju haibire prize bok tonga Pengba yokgi special prize ga first prize ga thamdana ko farmers da puning thogut pire ai indigenous ki oibanga gi mela department simajem sida ai tare dipalak ai first position lowre national award si ahumlak phange han ba award sina Dr. Hiralal Chaudhary national best fish farmer gold medal award na highest fish producer India da ko gated fish farming to pirak award ni amai to na 2002 da phanga matung da muk 2013 da ai India gi sahi yankhai matungda khwaigi sauna silakpa ko kisi basana Nagpur da North East ki ona ko all India gi ona phange ko gi national award se.
Sur Chandra is not only an accomplished Pengba and Ngaton fish farmer but also a promoter of healthy fish farming in the state. After 3 years of rigorous experiments, S. Tomba and Sons Pengba and Ngaton fish farm came up with a remedy for epizootic ulcerative syndrome (EUS) found in Ngaton and Pengba fishes. Sur Chandra advised fish farmers of the state to use Aquamix, Planktomin, Ultracide and Biochilin to cure fishes from the syndrome.
Masi sine biragati number 1 isingi pH value je maintain toroga thamba number 2 da masina kana baje khogi ising da yauba oxygen gi sang je masi sang naina dum watan thamanba number 3 da singi pon batam haidi nga ji masinjak tharini thauthi santhi mem jaisali auna santhi jaiba je apabanate ising molhalini thauthi ju ising pumalini hai mem je jaisi matam da ising gi pon batam je mopa mem je nga gi mathi meng mem duna pon batam molok je masi neat and clean phajana phamdalaga thamme ji hidaksina mon masi probiotic masi sinabda kaimda khoi side effect leite nga da phamajing ju hai hidaksing je sinabiyo.
the state will definitely have abundant pengba and ngaton fishes at reasonable rates if at least 5,000 fish farmers of the state out of the total over 20,000 fish farmers start rearing local pengba and ngaton fishes in a scientific way. The income of the fish farmers will also be substantially increased. With camera person Pukrambam Bobo, this is Joyce Ruisham for reporter Bhakta Tarangbam, Impact News, Imphal.
Ningol Chakoba marketers have thrown Namphalong market in Myanmar. Market vendors have taken opportunity to raise price of their commodities. Shoppers nevertheless continue buying despite the skyrocketing prices of the commodities. Namphalong, Kaithel and More Town are unusually packed with shoppers coming from Imphal and various parts of the state ahead of Ningol Chakoba. Hotels are overbooked and number of vehicles have increased on the streets. More Town is plagued with heavy traffic congestions at the moment. MLA Laurambam Rameshwar has appealed to opt for indigenous gifts for Ningol Chakoba festival. He was speaking during a free LPG connection distribution event held at Kiamgai Haibong Makhong today. 119 beneficiaries under Prime Minister Ujwala Yojana of Kiamgai, Arapti and Langdum were given free LPG gas connections. MLA Rameshwar highlighted the emerging trend of choosing expensive gifts imported from other states during the festival. He encouraged women to gift their brothers with fruits, vegetables and other things available in the state and keep intact the innate meaning of Ningol Chakoba. The MLA also mentioned that free gas stoves and cylinders were distributed to over 2,000 beneficiaries under the scheme on earlier occasions and assured to continue the same in the future.
इसाने इसाबु सेंथोक लंबी सेंको चन होनबदा याम चाउन मतेंग ओइना दुगा चै खुदिंग मपान चलिबा पैसा मयाम जो खर कन यंगबन खले सिदा नतना अखोई लुहोंगबा थौदो थो कया दा खै गे दम चनबी हैना मपान दगी लाबा क्वा मना मदि क्वा जे अखोई हापो बिने दो मसी सुमी यंगबा हजिक यामना कनाम जाना दे सिना कन लोइ फ्री दो मांगा लेबा अन सिगी मौता मणिपुर थाबा अखोई गे सिंग जे सिंग अदुम हापो मतम अदुम सिंग गे चाब हचांग चोंग कानाबा अदुम फगदन खले अन सिगुम चनबी अमजो कोइ हौदोक बजे ताइ फदरन खले खै इसागी हौजो पोथोक इसाना साजब पोत सिनबा इसागी युम धौ पोसिंग अदो सिनर कांदा कोइ ngasi koi wariba manipuri economy da menkhatpada yam chawn mateng pangani khali sihariba thobosing pangthong matamda nupi jinggo yam chawba ei daita lebron khale.
Deputy Speaker and MLA Mayang Imphal Kongkham Rovindro also distributed free LPG connections to beneficiary under Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana at his residence in Mayang Imphal Thana Wanglaikai. 230 beneficiaries of the constituency were distributed LPG connections in the fourth phase. MLA Khetrigao Nahakpam Indrajit has distributed free LPG connection to 43 beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana of the constituency for the seventh phase today. The free cooking gas connections were distributed in collaboration with RBD Indian Service at the MLA's residence. Speaking to media, Nahakpam Indrajit stated that the free LPG connections were distributed in the view of Ningol Chakoba festival. He said altogether 721 beneficiaries in the constituency have availed free LPG connection so far.
Ngasi akoina pijeriba gyasi yonthokpa yade yumda legadabni checking lakpuju yai kaiguma checking lakpa matamda gas leramdragadi madu magi atopa kya kana gadaba kya amju phangdabju yaina phangogdaba mayam duju ai athubada handaki November thasida ai amuka yenaba honajage masana AY card paihogdaba nataga phangba yaba mida phangogdaba leiragaju kari toroga phangadage haibado ai honajage na
asida BJP government gi site gi laiba niyam sida akhoi jo angambi da akhoi agency singsina ju honaraga yumdong kurimakta loinak phangdo mayam je phangba ngamgadage haibagi pandam sida akhoi chachabani
Upapradhan of Khongman Gram Panchayat Athokpam Premjit in collaboration with MS Batikong Indian Gramin distributed free gas connection to 31 beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana scheme of Khongman Zone 5 today. An awareness program on the benefits of Ujjwala scheme was also organized as a part of the event. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar has assured to start construction of Maharaj Chandrakriti Memorial Park at Tongjang village in Churachandpur district without further delay. A team of officials led by Minister Jayantakumar inspected the site for the park in Churachandpur district yesterday. Speaking to media, L. Jayantakumar recalled that Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren laid the foundation stone for constructing the park in and around Chibu Lake of Tongjang village on December 19 last year. He said 1 crore rupees will be sanctioned in the first phase for the construction. He asserted that the park will signify the age-old harmonious relations existing between hills and the valley inhabitants. Minister Jayantakumar mentioned that the park will attract tourists and enhance the income of the villages. He also pointed out the possibility of producing salt from Chibu Lake as the lake water is saline.
Some sort of archaeological some sort of international border park when a monk developed international tourists not local tourists lagasu when the Nungaiba Bangak Yang Makon to be a Makli Post in CMC have developed to say when Kanabading a season of Laxabani.
Health Minister L. Jayantakumar has assured to establish an Ayush hospital and a wellness center at Behiyang village in Churachandpur district. He was speaking during a one-day Ayush free health camp organized by the Directorate of Ayush Manipur in Behiyang yesterday. He assured that a wellness center will be established before adding an Ayush hospital in the area. Minister Jayantakumar stressed the need to develop Behiyang as it is located in the international border. The minister urged the villagers to start cultivation of medicinal plants in the surrounding hills of the village with assistance from the government to boost their income. Jayantakumar appealed for cooperation in all developmental undertakings of the government.
Manipuri Laiba, Makri Leba, Pishapai, the boy, Masidagi, lying but do connect over the lying but to the season the God of Makri Pambi sings in. Karam Ganma Pambi Tabi again, I will soon quit So it is my request to the chief of Behan, Yaragadi Lady, Ahangbulam sings in. The Canada Pambi, Silako, Canada Pambi Tasi, Adana, villagers in the zoo, economic growth, Pashat Tanbayaba, Pashat Hangbayaba.
Home of Underprivileged Society and Empowerment organized a mega health camp for persons living with HIV/AIDS today. The camp was sponsored by Manipur State AIDS Control Society, MAX. Free medicines were also distributed during the camp held at Pishamthong Ningombam Laikai Community Hall in Keshamthong constituency. Yangang Pokpi Bazaar Shop and Vendor Keeper Association organized an awareness program on environmental impact of improper waste management at Yangang Pokpi Bazaar in Imphal East District today. Many resource persons gave awareness on proper waste management and on how to make organic fertilizers in the event. Animon Studio production, a Manipuri feature film entitled Nungshi Kongchet was released today. Former Minister Moirangthem Hemanta released the film at GM Hall. The film is directed and produced by Arup Thokchom. Shyamchan Sarma, Laina Thakelambam and O.C. Meira are in the lead roles of the film. United People Front Manipur organized its 12th Mega Marathon under Athletic Association of Manipur today. The association has been organizing the marathon every year since 2007 with an aim to promote a healthy society. Mahut Minister T.A. Shyamkumar flagged off the 21-kilometer marathon from Kumal Lampak Sports Complex. 2,600 men and 1,000 women took part in the marathon, including players from various states of the country and delegates from Thailand. In the men's category, Shillong Shankaman Thapa, Sanapati District, LR Luther, and KH Roshan from Tera Khongsangbi bagged the first, second and third positions. While in the women's category, N. Chauba from Loang Sangbam, T. Russia from Ngairembam, and S. Premila of Yaripok Kekru bagged the first, second and third positions. The top three winners for both men and women category were felicitated with 40,000 rupees, 30,000 and 20,000 rupees cash respectively, along with memento and certificate each. Consolation prize of 3,000 rupees each along with memento and certificate were accorded to marathoners bagging the 4th to 15th positions. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan, UPF President W. Second, President of Athletic Association of Manipur L. Ajit, and former and present executive members of UPF were present at the flagging in of the race at Khumman Lampak Sports Complex.
Hoi kudingmak magin thadaba yade haksang padaba yade ko themna pangthokpa siumba mega marathon asina soidna maki purakani madudi manipuri singna ngasigi lamjeloi singna aphokan khandana manipur jati sibo marimgi sanamong kayada adon pida ama tharodana akoi ki pfc pina manipur sak takani abki padam da pangthokpa siumba UPF manipur sinba mega marathon asina manipur santi amadi apun saktam
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren assures to take adequate measures, including setting up a 460-acre water body in Lamphel Path to prevent floods in Imphal Valley. PHED Minister Losi Diko assures of safe and drinking water to valley inhabitants within 6 months. People fondly remember Lunglila Elizabeth on her 15th death anniversary today. And over 3,000 people, including foreign players, race in 12th mega marathon of United People Front Manipur today.